Hello students, today we read about data handling. Data is a collection of information, numerical form, in a numerical form, from some observations. For its handling, we make tabulation form of the data as let's see a example. Margins of victory in a football match of a league as 5 by 5 goal, by 1 goal, by 3 goal, by 2 goal, by 5 goal, and so on. In the 16 match, we make firstly margins goal table by 1 goal, by 2 goal, by 3 goal, by 4 goal, by 5 goal under the margin of victory. Second table will be tally bars. In the table bars, we write straight lines, draw straight lines as the number comes in which times. As 1 comes only 3 times, so we put 3 straight lines. 2 comes 4 times, so we put 4 straight lines. 3 put 2 times, so we put 2 lines. 4 put 2 times, so we put 2 lines. 5 put 5 times, so we put 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4 straight, and fifth line should be slant, which cutted to the 4 lines together. Now last column will be frequency column. 1, 2, 3 lines here, so we put or write 3 here. Clear? Here 4 lines, so we write 4 here. 2 lines, so we write 2 here, and so on. Now total the frequencies is 16. 16 is the total matches. Clear? This is the data handling process. Now we use this data for the finding central tendency to the data. Let's take an example. A batsman scored some runs in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 innings. We find to mean of the number of runs, means average runs in each innings. So for the mean or average, we sum of the all observations and divided to it by number of observation, as mean equal to sum of the all runs and divided by 5. Batsman make these runs in 5 innings, so we divided by 5 to it. 120 by 5, answer is 24. So 24 is the mean or average runs in each innings. Now next term to find is range. Range is the difference between highest observation and smaller observation. Here highest observation is 50 and smaller observation is 0. So their range will be 50. 50 minus 0 is 0. Now we want to find mode of the datas. Mode is the most frequency value which comes in the collection of datas. Here only 30 comes mostly times, 2 times, so mode will be 30. Clear? So mode will be date number. Date comes mostly time in the data. Mode will be more than 1 or 2. Depends on the data. Suppose 30 and 50 comes 2 times, then there will be 2 mode, 30 and 50. Clear? Next central tendency find method is median. For the median, we firstly arrange the datas in the ascending orders as 0, 10, 30, 30, 50. We take first example in all experiments. Here number of observation is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write n equal to 5 means number of observation. There will be 2 types of digit, even or odd. If this is odd number of observation is odd number, then median will be n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Clear? Let's see example. This is 5. So 5 plus 1 upon 2th observation means 6 upon 2. Third observation. Third observation, see third observation in the data collection as the ascending order 1, 2, 3. So this is the median of the data, and this is the median central tendency of the given data. Now if the data in the form of even, number of data is the form of even. Later in the group of counting numbers 1 to 10, number of data is 10, which is even number. If we find to central tendency as the form of median, here number of observation is even. So for the even numbers, we took a formula for median: n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. N is here 10, so 10 upon 2th observation is 5th observation, and next observation plus 1 means next observation is 6th observation, is divided by 2. Now see 5th observation and 6th observations of the data in the ascending order form: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will be 5 and 6. So sum of 5 and 6 and divided by 2, then it will be 5.5. So this will be median of the given data. Clear? So student, we learned today about some basic knowledge of mode, median and mean, range and data handling. Practice to some questions which is given in your book, and if any problem, consult to me. Okay, bye.